guys, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of kids wears. Yes, we are standing here right now in a kids wear counter where we have maintained our lots of varieties. Just an example, you can see behind here we have maintained some of varieties, and this is just a counter of kids wear. And you can see this side too. So this whole is just a counter about kids wear where we have maintained more than 1000 of catalogs at the same time. That is also in a baby girl and baby boy in a both. We have starting sizes here from a born baby to 15 years baby girl to baby boy. Both kind of varieties we have here. So let's move forward. Today's video will be dedicated on only boys wear collection. So let's move forward. Let's see the first sample, and we are starting with the born baby size. This is the born baby pattern I am going to show you, and very elegant, very pretty piece. This is fabric of this piece, that is very good. Same way again, let's move forward and let's see another born baby size with the long sleeves and long pant. This is something kind of piece we are providing you with a great quality and some kind of printing on it. Isn't this very pretty? And let me show you the quality of the fabric. You can see a quality of the fabric that is very brilliant, very soft in piece. And again, so let's move forward again, and born baby size. But this born baby size is coming with the hoodie over here. You can see this is the hoodie. This is a cap over here. So this is good for those this is good for a winters, and in the winters pattern we have 2 or 3 kind of different patterns. Just an example, this is the one pattern. I want to show you a bit higher. This is just a top and this is the pant in a bit bigger size. And for a proper winter wear, you want kind of sweat type look. So this is a sweater type look. So with a great quality of fabric, best for a winter season. So this was just 3 samples. We have lots of patterns and varieties over here, but it's not possible to show all kind of varieties in just all samples. That's why I have chosen some varieties that we are watching today. Let's move forward and let's see this next pattern. You can see over here, this is very unique, coming with this value addition over here, and all the buttons, some stitching and some kind of thread over work. And same way, this is the jeans coming with it. And if you want bit fancy item with the cap, so this is a cap item where this has a cap and this is the bottom. Isn't this very unique and very pretty and fancy item with this work over here? This is the brooch we are providing you. This is the bottom. This is the bottom, and very unique kind of coming with this cute little cap. Very stylish Bollywood kind of look we are providing you. Let's go to the fancy patterns, fancy item, and this is a very traditional Indo-Western look. And let's move forward to daily wear kind of collection. So this is the top, and this is very tiny cute little jeans, denim jeans, short jeans. Same way, this is just a top, just a bottom, just a top. It is without bottom. If you want with bottom collection, we have with bottom. If you want without bottom collection, we have that too. This is just a shirt we are providing you with this great quality of jacket and great quality of shirt. If you want pair some sport collection, so this is baby's sports collection with this cute tiny little pant and some hoodie kind of collection. So this is a hoodie with a great quality of fabric, 100% washable thing we are providing you with this jeans, tiny little jeans. If you want night wear type, so we have night wear kind of collection. Look, this is the night wear, ideal for a night wear collection coming, because you can see the pattern and color too. And let's go to the festive season special collection. This is a festive season special which has this very fancy unique. This is coming with this sherwani kind of look, and it has this dupatta over here. This is going to be the bottom. Isn't this very unique and pretty? This is the look, this is the proper look. Isn't this very unique? And it has some value addition, this velvet kind of tiny brooch we are providing you. Look, very unique, very this is actually very marginable piece. So let's move forward and let's see the last sample. and this is the last one I'm going to show you. Very cute, very tiny, coming with this very pretty pant. So we have wide range of varieties. We have sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies undergarment, kids wear, men's wear, everything in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. That's why if you want to start business and want to keep this kind of fancy varieties at your place, you can join Ajmeera Fashion. For an online order, you have to just message us or call us. The numbers are on screen, just call there. So this was our video about kids wear boy collection. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.